AIN is pleased to announce the winner of the 2021 Top Flight Awards New Business Turboprop category, the Textron Aviation Beechcraft King Air 360. The upgrade of the King Air 350, badged the 360, includes Collins Aerospace ProLine Fusion touchscreen avionics, IS&S ThrustSense autothrottles, an updated onboard maintenance system, a digital pressurization system, and a cabin redesigned for better aesthetics and comfort. It includes new seats, more refined cabinetry, partitions and side ledges, higher work tables, LED lighting, lower profile air and light components, new switches, and power outlets and USB charging stations. The 360 has a maximum range of 1,806 nautical miles and a top cruising speed of 312 knots. Power comes from a pair of Pratt Whitney Canada PT6A-60A engines that produce 1,050 shaft horsepower each. The model traces its roots back to the Model 18 that Walter Beech introduced in 1937. Today, more than 7,000 King Airs are on the civil registry, and more than 1,000 of those are the 15,000-pound Model 350 that debuted in 1990.